The cable row. In the cable row, the point is to be working your back, so you should be pulling your shoulder blades together in the back with every single repetition. It's a slow and controlled movement, and again, the power should be coming from the back, which means you're not going to be pulling with rounded shoulders or swinging the weight. This is what it looks like to be pulling with rounded shoulders, just moving from point A to point B. Sometimes without even trying, this will happen to new lifters or even experienced ones. And this is what happens when people like to ego lift, is they start to really swing the weight a lot just so they can move the weight up the stack. That's not what you want to be doing. What I like to do is use less weight, pause at the back of the movement, and that's how you're going to get a big squeeze out of the back and develop your back muscles. From the back side, again, you're pulling the shoulder blades together. The focus should always be what the shoulder blades are doing and what the muscles in the back are feeling, not just moving the weight from point A to point B.